Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this 2016 Range Rover Vogue with a ghost system. This one's been stolen and recovered and the customer now wants it protected. So a thief clones the key, hop in, try and start it, goes to start and just cuts out. Go again. They keep doing that, it's just going to cut out. So for the customer to drive it, foot off the brake, tap the start button, go through their push sequence, which we've left nice and simple at 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. Confirms we can start, foot on the brake, hold the start button. Customer obviously won't want to keep the code that simple. The way they change it is ignition on without starting, so foot off the brake, tap the start button, pop their code in to confirm it's them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Foot all the way to the floor, repeat the code again, 1, 2, 3, 4, indicators will start to flash. There we go. Now we lift our foot and put the new code in. So we'll just change it to down, up, down, down. This can be all the way up to 21 presses. We're just keeping it simple. We'll get 3 flashes and then repeat that again. Down, up, down, down. We'll get 2 flashes. There we go. That's the code alert. So we'll just turn the car off. As you can see, it's coming out with an SOS error. That's it's been stolen and recovered. They've ripped off the factory fitted tracker and haven't had it repaired yet. So now with the code changed, foot off the brake, tap the start button, pop the new code in, double flash, we can start it. This also has service mode. When it goes back to Range Rover, where you do that is ignition on, foot off the brake, confirm the issue with your code. Now we'll press the service button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes. This is now a normal vehicle. Ghost is switched off. Range Rover can service it. No need for a code. When you get it back, ignition on, pop your code in like you normally do. Get you 2 flashes. There we go. Takes it out of service mode. Just to make sure you've done that correctly, turn it off, give it 5 to 10 seconds, then get in the vehicle, try start it. As you can see, it doesn't start. Get one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 212 7393. This is a 2016 Range Rover Vogue with a ghost. Thanks for watching.